Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Kathy, Becky, and myself. And I am on layout number 3 for our March 2025 challenge, and that is to use green within our layout. So that's anything, paper, any type of embellishments, any mixed medias, any inks that you would like to use. Just try to incorporate green within your layout. So I have already put my kit together, and it was posted on the first Monday of March for 2025. I'm going to show you the memory that I am documenting, and this is a photograph of my mother and father-in-law, and I do not know what year this was taken. My husband is the second oldest, and he is right there. This is the oldest brother, Benny. That's Jeff. That's Tim. And that is the youngest, which is Melinda. Now for the scrappy supplies, I am mainly using products from 49 and Market from various collections and various years, and some Maggie Home embellishments and some washi tape. So let's start with the washi tape. I have this washi tape with a solid blue background with leaves that are in the color of green. So there's one color of green. We have another green washi tape, and then I have this mustard yellow. Doesn't mean I'm going to use it. I just got it out from my kit for March of 2025, and I'm going to try. Now for my embellishments. We'll just start here. All of these embellishments are from the 49 and Market collection, either Birdsong or it's Vintage Garden or something like that. So there's a mixture, and you'll see why I picked those colors of tones of greens, browns, and so on and so forth when you see my paper. Now these are from a Maggie Home sticker sheet, and again you're going to see my pattern paper here in a minute, and you're going to understand why I've selected these colors. Again, I am not using all of those succulent flowers, at least I don't think I am, or all those bows on the layout. But this is what I've selected that goes with the mood and feel and color of the memory that I am documenting. So those are the stickers. I'll keep those right here. Now we'll start with the paper. We have this Simple Story Vintage Lakeside scrap paper from my stash. And there is the green on that side. And this is from 2022. I'm leaning towards this side for matting my photograph, and maybe I'll double mat it and use both colors, and I'll come back to that in just a second. And then for my foundation layer, base layer, I am using this paper from 49 and Market. It's called Butterfly Kisses, and it was created in 2022. There is this distressed look here, which has green and gray tones, and also this coral tone over here. Additionally, I also have some shimmer inks, and I'm going to reach across the camera because it's right in front of me, and I have selected this Inklings in Coral Reef because of that coral. And I have 3 different greens, and I can't remember which one I wanted to use for this layout. I think it's going to be this green. First thing I'm going to do is trim my paper off camera, double mat my photograph, and then we're going to start laying out my embellishments. I have trimmed off the branding strip. I have double matted my photograph, and I used the dark emerald green and then matted it with black, and then I placed it about the 4-inch from the bottom. So 4-inch from the bottom, I placed my photograph, and about an inch and a quarter over from the edge. Now, since I have matted my photograph with black, I decided that I am going to ink the edges of my embellishments. So let's try to place these embellishments out, and I'm going to place them over here on the left hand side and kind of layer. I'm thinking I'm going to put 3 embellishment main areas and embellish on top of them, and maybe underneath with some of these clear flowers. So let's see, and maybe I'll ink while I go along here, maybe, or I'll do it by groups. Yeah, let's see. Okay, we have this word memory, so I want to make that maybe part of this main title here, because I had it in this grouping. We have this month and date type calendar, and it should go this direction, but it's a-okay if it goes this way. I think that's the way I want it. And then I have this embellishment, and I'm going to cover some of that up. And I could just do 2 areas, but I think I'm going to push this down. I don't want to go over too far. And you know what? I think I'm going to add some thread. I didn't get any thread out, but I think I'm going to add some thread. I haven't done any threads for a while. Now remember, I've got this coral, so I have this round circle here, and I might add some twine on this. And I kind of want to have, with my embellishments, because I have 3 circle items, maybe go like this with the circles. Maybe hello today, love this moment. Okay, let's see. We have that green. Maybe over here. I think I'm gonna have to, for in here, I don't want this going, I don't want the hello going this green over there. All right, so let's trim one of these out. No, that's not really showing much. Let's see if we did the opposite here. Maybe that's what we need to do. We can do the flowers. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. Yep. We'll do the flowers like that. And then let's see about adding thread. And I'm wondering if I should add my splatters, because I am going to add splatters, but yeah, we'll just go ahead. And so I just wind some up, trim it, and I think I want some right in here. And yeah, I'll add a little wet adhesive. Now I want to see about putting some washi tape here, but before I do that, I want to add some splatters, and we are going to use, I think, the Dana Wakley medium gloss spray in black. I messed up here because I was going to use coral in the green. Maybe I'll add some coral and that'll break that up a little bit. That is exactly what I'm going to do. So let's see what this looks like inside. Ooh, nice and creamy. Okay, and it looks like I already have some in the lid, so we'll set that aside. My round paintbrush, and you know, it doesn't have a number, it just says it's from Ranger. Not to overdo this. Oh yeah, that's better. That worked out perfect. Yes. So you can tell I have 3 separate clusters here to the left of my photograph. and I've layered up. It looks just great. We just have a simple title that says Memories. We have the clear sticker here from Maggie Holmes collection, and then I placed another one, identical one, over on this side. Like I always say at the very end, most of all, get out your scrappy supplies and document those memories in a fun, creative way. You are passing down history from one generation to another. We'll see you next time.